same applies to the hose, low temperatures, just a moment or two in some very hot water, recently boiled. The nozzle will fit very easily. Once it all cools, it'll be nice and tight. This is the chain and sprocket mock-up, which has been put together to show you about nozzle positioning. If we start with the single feed nozzle, which I've inserted into the standard pipe with the red wire within, the purpose of the red wire, of course, is to be able to tie wrap around the swing arm or whatever part of the bike you're going to fix it to, and then you can basically bend the wire so that it positions the nozzle in the position that you want. The single feed nozzle is suitable for all bikes, and it can be routed to lots of different parts of the chain. We take this example here. Obviously, normally the swing arm would be taking up this space here. So if we base our demonstration on that, the standard way to fit the single feed nozzle would be to cable tie it to the swing arm in this position, and then have the single feed nozzle pressed against the side of the sprocket at about this position here, just before the teeth meet, and then the oil will run from there into the sprocket and teeth mesh. If that's not possible, say you have a single-sided swing arm, you can position the nozzle so that it drips into the middle of the chain, and that will also do the same job. On our off-road motorcycles, it's often preferable to have the oiler a long way away from the back sprocket because of all the mud that they go through. So it's a favourite to mount the single feed nozzle so that it drips onto the top run of the chain just before it reaches the front sprocket. The best place, if you are doing this, and if you can do it, is to actually put it just as it comes out of the front sprocket, and that way the oil will get carried onto the back sprocket a bit quicker as well, and you'll get less fling around the front sprocket. That's the way that the enduro guys do it on their national championship stuff.